Well, my dear Annie, let's go to solve this problem. We create ideas to solve these problems. The first problem say, add 5 to minus 2. What it means this? 5 means something. It could be 5 apples or 5 orange. Minus 2 means something. But always the 2 should be, if 5 is apple, the minus 2 should be apple also. If 5 is orange, the minus 2 should be orange also. So what it means 5 minus 2? Could be 5 orange and you take out 2 orange. So how we visualize this? So 5, the positive goes up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you have a quantity that is 5 units, let's say 5 apples. And now the minus 2 means take out 2. So it will be take 1 and take out 2. So what it will remain is what? What you say that it will remain is 3. 1, 2, and 3. It will remain this 3. The other way to visualize this is you visualize the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you visualize the minus 2 like this. Minus 2 is going down. 1 and 2. And you take out this 5 going up. This minus 2 is going down. So when you add it, you add the 5, this is 5, minus 2. This is minus 2 because it's going downwards. So what it will remain is 5 plus 5 going up, always positive going up, always negative going down. So 5 minus 2, it will be the result, will be this result. This one, and this one should be 3. Okay, let's go to do minus 4, minus 3. So minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. And later on, minus 3. So minus 3 is minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. So this amount represents minus 3. This amount represents minus 4. And all the amount from here to here is minus 7. Negative going downwards. So this is minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. And you added minus 3, you add it in the same direction, so you go deeper. Minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. So this is minus 7. Perfect, minus 7. Now let's go to number 3. Number 3 say minus 6 plus 11. Oh, minus 6 plus 11. Oh, I know how to do it. Minus 6 will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. So it will be an arrow going down that it will be minus 6. And now I will add minus 6, 11. 11 is an arrow going up, and the arrow is made of 2 parts. In one part is plus 6, and the other part is plus 5, because 6 plus 5 is 11. So the arrow is this arrow, big arrow, from here to here. This is minus 11, but I imagine that this is plus 11. But I imagine that plus 11, that is the arrow, plus 11, is made of 2 parts, 6 and 5. So the 6 will go up, the minus 6 will go up, down. So you will cancel. So what will be minus 6 plus 11? It will be this part, plus 5. Let's go to do number 4. Oh, number 4. Tell me how I will do it. Number 4, tell me what I will do. Number 4 will be minus 9, so I put it minus 9, minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 9. So minus 9 will go like this, minus 9. Now I add plus 7. Plus 7 will go like this, plus 7. What it will remain? It will remain plus 2. No, it will remain plus 2 or minus 2. What do you say? Minus 9 plus 7, it will be minus 2 or plus 2. It will remain, this part is minus 2. So minus 9 plus 7, minus 9 plus 7 is minus 2. So this is minus 2. Let's go to do number 5. So positive with multiplying positive with positive will be positive. And multiplying positive multiplied by negative will be negative. So this will be how much? How much? 18, positive with negative, negative. This how much? Positive with negative, minus 80. This one, negative with negative is positive, is plus 18. Negative divide, this is minus 30 divided by 6. Now, minus 30 divided by 6 is something negative, because it's negative divided by something positive. And minus 30 divided by is a negative number, and what is the result is the same that minus 15 divided by 3, because if I divide the numerator by 2, it will be 15. If I divide the denominator by 2, it will be 3. I can divide the numerator and the denominator by the same quantity. Minus 15 divided by minus 3, it will be minus 5. 5 by minus 15 divided by 3 is minus 5. Okay, 45, problem 9. 45 divided by minus 5. The result will be positive or negative? Negative, because it's a positive divided by negative. Remember, positive divided by negative is always negative. In negative divided by negative is always positive. So here is positive divided by negative is negative. So if I divide, so it's something negative. Positive divided by negative, this is negative. So if I divide 45 divided by 5, if I divide the numerator by 3, it will be 15. If I divide the numerator, no. If I divide the numerator by 5, 45 by 5 is 7. So if I divide the numerator between 5, and I divide the numerator between 5, what I will have, 45 divided by 5 is 9. And 5 divided by 5 is 1. So 45 divided by 5 is 9. Is 9 positive or negative? This is a negative, because positive divided by negative is negative. And the last one, problem 10. Problem 10 says minus 72 divided by minus 9. This is positive or negative? Well, negative divided by negative is something positive. So minus 72 divided by 9, it will be a number that is a positive number. What number will be? It will be 8. 9 by 8 is 72. 9 by 8 equals 72. Okay, it will be 8. So this is the practice that you need to do.